Well, the IT sector has posted very strong results so far. TCS, Infosys, Wipro all have outperformed the street estimates on most fronts. In fact, we have seen so far Infosys leading the pack in terms of the industry revenue growth and also in terms of the deal momentum. I bring to you a lowdown of comparison of how TCS, Infosys and Wipro has done so far, and Infosys definitely is leading the pack on most parameters. Infosys revenue growth in constant currency terms on a sequential basis grew at 5.3% versus the TCS growth of 4% and versus the Wipro growth of 3.4%, wherein Infosys saw large deal wins, the total contract value of large deal wins at an all-time high at $7.13 billion. TCS reported $6.8 billion in terms of large deals, as well as Wipro also did report a very strong momentum in terms of the deal wins there. EBIT margin, yes, on that parameter, Infosys did slightly underperform with EBIT margin expansion of just 10 bips versus TCS EBIT margin expansion of 40 bips on a sequential basis, and Wipro EBIT margin expanded 250 bips on a sequential basis. Overall outlook from TCS as well as Infosys is extremely positive. Infosys expects FY22 growth to be in double digit, and TCS has stated that they are expecting double digit growth not just in FY22, but they are also aiming at a double digit growth beyond FY22, and that they are seeing a multi-year tech cycle going ahead, and they are fairly confident on gaining market share. In fact, Infosys has also stated that they are fairly confident of gaining market share. Wipro also shared a very positive outlook in terms of the overall deal momentum and demand environment. Infosys also has gone ahead and revised the guidance upwards for the revenue guidance as well as the EBIT margin guidance. If you look at Wipro, they are also posting a very strong revenue guidance of 1.5 to 3.5% on a sequential basis for Q4. If you look at the overall momentum in terms of the verticals, well, consumer business, health, technology, manufacturing, BFSI, energy, high tech, life sciences, communication and media, these are the verticals which have shown very strong momentum during this quarter across the board for TCS, Wipro as well as for Infosys. As I said, commentary in terms of the deal wins has been very positive both for TCS as well as Infosys, and that continues. In fact, Infosys has stated that Vanguard, Daimler and Rolls-Royce demonstrate the depth of the digital as well as cloud capabilities and demand, and Wipro has stated that they are seeing very strong demand particularly in Europe and traction across geographies, and TCS stated that BFSI as well as North America are showing very strong traction coming in terms of the demand. In terms of the valuations, TCS tops the pack at 30x FY22 PE, followed by Infosys at 27x and Wipro at 23x. HCL trades at 20x FY22 PE and Tech Mahindra at 19x FY22 PE. If you look at the brokerage reaction, well, the brokerage reaction also has been fairly positive for Infosys. Most of the brokerages have gone ahead and hiked the target price for Infosys. It's a mixed reaction coming in from Wipro. CLSA maintains a buy and has gone ahead and hiked the target price to 16.20. They state that the EBIT margin has been revised upwards, and they are very optimistic on Infosys on account of the deal wins, and Q3 results indicate improved confidence on margin defense. Macquarie also has raised the target price for Infosys to 1500, and it is their top pick. Citi maintains a buy with a target price of 1590. They've gone ahead and raised the earnings estimates for Infosys upwards by 1 to 8%, and the target multiple now stands at 29x. For Wipro, it's a slightly mixed bag, wherein we are seeing Macquarie raising the target price as well as Credit Suisse raising the target price, but Goldman has a sell rating at 318%. 318 rupees per share. Macquarie has the target price of nearly around 500 rupees per share, as well as the Goldman Sachs. As I said, they have a sell rating on Wipro with a target of 318. They're stating that EBIT margins may see headwinds in Q4 going ahead. So yes, so far a very positive results coming in from Infosys, TCS as well as Wipro, and we will watch out for how HCL as well as Tech Mahindra fare during the results.